Hey, boys and girls, it is our very last day of our letter sounds. All we are doing today is we're gonna make the actions. We're gonna say the letter sound, make the action, and then we're done. We get to start building words. So let's see how many you guys remember. Let's see how many Miss Collis remembers, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna start at the beginning. Good job. Ah. Ah. T, 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 t. Good job. What about this one? Eh, eh, eh. P, p, p. Good. Good job. What about this one? K, k, k. Good. What about, what comes after the k? Sorry. Do you guys remember we crack our egg? Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh. Good job. This one. Remember our puppies ripping the rag? Duh, 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 duh. Good job. All right, and then what came after that? These are where they start to get tricky. These are the ones that we started when we were online together, okay? G, g, g. O, 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 o. Uh, uh, uh. B. Do you remember all those? Good job. Then there was j, 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 where we get to jiggle like jello. Then bzz, where we flap our wings like a bee. Bzz. Vic's van. Get to drive it around the village. And we just learned these last two. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And x, x, x. Those are all of our sounds, boys and girls. Do you remember them all? Awesome. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post a link on the Facebook page so that you guys can hear all the songs together. If you aren't on the Facebook group, you can just Google Jolly Phonics letter sounds, and they'll come up with it's a 12-minute video, but it has all the sounds. There's some that aren't, some that we haven't done yet. That's okay. Your kids will know the ones we have, and hopefully they remember to do all the actions. That's it. We're on to words, boys and girls. Woo! I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. See you soon. Bye.